Let's make a cleaver's tincture. Tinctures are simple to make and help a small amount of herb to go a long way. They easily extract the medicinal benefits from the plant material. To make a tincture, you're going to need alcohol. I prefer to use grain alcohol. You'll also need some filter water, and a cutting board and a knife, a glass jar with a lid, and the plants that you're going to be making a tincture with. Start by chopping up the plants that you want to use. Be careful using a knife and have a big person help if you need it. As you chop up your herbs, begin adding them to your jar. You'll want to lightly fill your jar with your fresh herbs. Now that your jar is lightly filled, you want to add enough grain alcohol to fill your jar halfway. This will give you a 50% alcohol extraction. If you're using vodka instead of grain alcohol, simply fill your jar to the top. However, if you're using grain alcohol, add water to fill up the other half of the jar. Now place the lid securely on your jar. Next, you'll want to create a label for your tincture. List the name of the plant, the date that your tincture was started, the amount of alcohol or type of alcohol you are using, whether the plant is fresh or dried, and where you found the plant from. Shake your tincture daily and let it sit for at least 4 weeks before straining. You can leave it on a countertop where you can access it easily every day. After 4 weeks, it's time to strain your tincture. You're going to want to shake your tincture well before opening it. Place a metal strainer in a glass measuring cup and pour the tincture into the strainer. Clear out any excess plant material in the jar. Press the plant material to help strain the tincture out of it. Cover the strainer in the glass measuring cup with a cloth and let it sit for about an hour or so. Now your tincture is strained, it's time to pour it back into the jar and compost the plant material. Tinctures can last for many years. Store your tincture in a cupboard away from heat and light, and it will remain potent and usable for many years to come.